All right, let's talk about how fast or how soon should you expect your credit scores to increase. Now, I probably have about two answers to this question. I get this a lot. If you are building credit from scratch, which means you have nothing on your credit report and you go out and apply for a credit builder loan or a credit card, or a parent or a friend co-sign a vehicle for you and you're just using that to build credit history, and you go from 0 to however many points, that is probably going to take about 3 months, to be honest with you. The first month is going to be the initial credit line or trade line hit, which is probably just going to give you a basic average credit score. And then each month, positive payments are reported to your credit report, usually around that third reporting, which is around 3 months in. Your credit scores are probably going to be, in the mid 600s just for one positive trade line reported. Now, this is a huge advantage for you because you have the opportunity to get into the 700s so fast just by having new credit on your credit report. So I would highly suggest go out and get 3 things added to your credit report that are positive. If it's a credit card, it cannot have balances on it. If it's a loan, you have to make the payment every single month. This is probably, going to take you anywhere between 4 to 6 months on average, just to probably get into the 700s. Now, that is only because you have new credit reported. You do not have a ton of credit history. So the scores really doesn't mean anything, because it's kind of like an easy way to get a 700s when you take a teenager and you put all of these accounts on their credit report, then they're easily just going to be mid upper 700s because they don't have much credit to judge off of. Now, once you start adding more trade lines, then things starts averaging out a little bit. Credit age then is going to play a major effect in things, but if you're just building credit from scratch, it doesn't take long. You can get into the 700s within a few months to half a year easily. Now, let's put this situation in somebody that have negative items reporting on their credit report and they enrolled into a credit repair service. How fast can they expect their credit scores to go up, or how much can their credit scores go up? So first of all, if you're somebody with something negative on your credit report, you probably have not paid bills on time, you've been late on credit cards or loans or whatever the case may be, you should not be worrying about how fast or how soon your credit is going to go up. You should be focused on if you can be helped or not, realistically. But to answer that question, most of the people that I see enrolled in our credit repair service, credit score increases, I tend to don't judge those a lot, because that plays a major role into the consumer themselves. So a lot of times you can take person one and they're doing everything correctly, paying their bills on time. They may go out and apply for a secure credit card or, credit builder account, and their credit score is going to improve much faster and higher than somebody who's enrolled in the service and they're steady missing payments. They don't do anything to build credit. They're not paying off credit card debt. So I never like to answer how soon can your credit score go up, because a lot plays into factor with that. If you're doing things wrong, then your scores are going to go down because of you. If you're doing things right, that's going to, help improve your scores, and clearly your scores are going to go up pretty quickly. But if you want to take that out of the scenario, on average, most people probably see a gain of, anywhere between 80 to 100 points by enrolling in anyone's credit repair service. And that's just going based on having 1 or 2 bad things on their credit reports. If you're a person that has like 10 accounts that's charged off and you're late on every single thing on your credit report, then clearly you're not going to see a 100-point increase, not soon, because you have so much stuff to work on. And some of these items on your credit reports can take, 6 or 7 attempts going back and forth with the credit bureau. So that's my answer on how soon to expect a credit score increase, or how fast can your scores go up, or how much will they go up, because it just varies on the consumer. And again, if you're doing everything correctly, your scores may go up pretty quickly. If you're doing things bad or you're not doing anything at all, then your scores are probably not going to move much unless or until something gets removed off your credit report. For those of you who claim y'all was never taught anything about credit, or maybe you guys were just taught wrong information about credit, we have the best book out for you. This book pretty much covers everything that you need to know about personal credit and business credit, and maybe some details in there of how to even repair your own credit. Click the link provided in this video and you can order it straight from Amazon. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.